5. 1, 2, 5, ha? Naiintindihan. Kasi si Carte, kung nakikita mo, wala na kaya. Buhay lang sa talo. Tulong lang kailangan. Naiintindihan? Ito lang hindi siya makompitin. Ayun yan.
2 points away. Set number 3. Ateneo winning the first set. And then LaSalle coming back, winning it handily in the second. And here, up by 7. Ateneo up by 7. LaSalle ties it, actually gets a 1-point lead.
Yeah. Wow.
And now, we are at the nitty-gritty part of this third. Ferrer serving. Cruz taking it just right. Gohing sets up Gumabaw. Lazaro to Ferrer. Ferrer to the rookie. Gumabaw sets up. Maranyo. Nobody home. Nobody at the net. Look at this girl. Look at that. Look at that fighting attitude.
Kanino kaya galit si Maranyo? Grabe, look
Alam
at
mo kung
that.
saan siya galit? Galit siya dun sa error niya kanina.
Oo, tama.
Yun. Binawian niya yung sarili niya. Oh, the crowd really getting into it now. Valdez. Not a solid kill. Galang, the rookie.
That's too close.
That's
That's
out.
too close. This is John Ferrer, hinawi talaga.
Hinawi niya yung
Huwag mo nang kulin.
Medyo malakas siya.
Si Zihar Basho, nagdadalawang isip pa eh. Look at this reaction from John Ferrer. Wag!
Set point, and it's on Nakachi serve.
Oh! Jack Cruz, the veteran!
Dalawang isip siya eh.
Wow! Nakachi, I don't know if she really did target Jack Cruz, but I really believe that ball was on its way out.
Let's look at that again.
Yeah.
But you know the rule in volleyball,
Oh, yeah.
Doc. Pag alanganin ka, kunin mo na.
When in doubt,
Yun,
get it.
When in doubt, you blame Doc Ian Laurel always. That is the rule sa amin dito sa panel.
Kaya ang dalas kong masisi dito.
25-21. All of a sudden, Ateneo 2 sets to 1. Back in a moment for the fourth.